Hi, boys and girls. You ready for a little number fun? It's 100 week at school. So this guy here is Zero the Hero. Zero can change numbers. If you have a number 1 and you put a 0 next to it, it's 10. If you have a number 2 and you put a 0 next to it, it's 20. If you have a number 3 and you put a 0 next to it, that's right, it's 30. You get the idea. So let's see what Zero the Hero has planned for us. This is by Joan Hullop and Tom Lichtenheld. Zero the Hero. Look at that. Zero's going into a little phone booth. They don't have those anymore. And when he comes out, he is Zero the Hero. It says a book about nothing. There are a lot of speech bubbles in this book. Some of them I'll read, some of them I won't. We'll see how it goes. You ready? Unlike most numbers, Zero the Hero believed himself to be... Unlike most numbers, Zero believed himself to be a hero. He just needed a chance to prove it. Hey, who's that in the mask? And what's up with those pointy boots? And this cape? It says, from now on, call me Zero the Hero. Call you what? Now I've heard everything. But Zero's belief in himself didn't count for much when it came to fitting in. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little. Poor Zero, he's always getting left out of games. Well, tough noogies. He's not a counting number, so he can't play. Get a move on, will ya? Number 6, I can't go until you do. True, you really can't count a 0 number of things. I can hardly wait till I get to sing 8 little. In order to amount to anything, Zero had to stand in the shadow of other numbers. They were more glamorous than he was. Yes, it's true. I'm number 1, the number everyone wants to be. I take first place in every contest. I'm the number line leader. Oh, and when my pal Zero tags along, I become a 10. That's equal to 10 ones. Of course, not 10 zeros. Oh. Occasionally, he was mistaken for various circular objects, seemingly at random. Some days it really got to him. Hey, aren't you a Fruit Loop? I love those. No, I'm Zero the Hero. Yeah, I don't think so. Are you a donut? No. I've got it. You're the letter O. No. How many times do I have to tell you? 6. Oh, poor Zero. When it came to addition, he was virtually invisible. Other numbers seemed to pass right through him, almost like magic. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 3 plus 0 equals 3. 4 plus 0 equals 4. No matter what order we go in, the results are the same. Okay, let me take a wild guess. The sum of me and you is going to be me. That's pretty much a sure thing. Am I right? Well, yeah, 5 plus 0 equals 5. The same thing happened with subtraction. In their frustration, some numbers were being unkind. How come I'm called a difference if I don't look any different? 1 take away 0 equals 1. 2 take away 0 equals 2. Hey! Anyway, I figure it. Take me away, nothing equals me, right? Am I right? I hope I have better luck on the next page. Poor Zero. Turns out Zero was even worse at division. That's something you'll learn when you get a little older. So badly, in fact, that other numbers simply refused to be divided by him at all. Still, his belief in his wonderfulness persisted. Then one day, during multiplication, it was discovered that any number times 0 equals, you guessed it, 0. I apologize 100% for what I am about to do to you. It's nothing personal. Here I am, another product of 0 things, 0 times anything. Fearing that they would become 0, the others ran from him. Who could blame them? Hey, what's going on? Run for your lives. Good thing I've got 9 of them. Don't go near the times table if 0's around, or you'll be toast. Burnt toast. As the others scurried away, 0 had a horrible realization. A superhero wouldn't multiply his friends into nothingness. That's the kind of stuff only an evil villain would do. Could it be that he wasn't a hero after all? The thought gave 0 a hollow feeling inside. His confidence shaken, he tucked himself tight and rolled away, heading for infinity or obliviation, whichever came first. The counting numbers didn't even notice 0 was gone. As you can see, I've got these five apples, and I've got 2 bananas here. And I've got 3 oranges. I think we know how much fruit we have all together. Yes, but without 0, I won't be able to solve this problem. He needs to stand here to help make me turn into a 10. Uh-oh. To take their minds off their problems, they tried playing a game of round-off, but this proved impossible without 0. No question, the counting numbers were missing their friend. In fact, they were so busy missing him that they didn't notice they were being surrounded. You know, I never told 0, but I'm often mistaken for the letter S. Some confuse me with the letter Z, as in 0. If I stand too still, I can be mistaken for a pickle. If I take a nap, I'm mistaken for a lowercase m or a W. Depends which side I sleep on. Snowman. Before the numbers knew it, they had been captured by Roman soldiers. In the name of the emperor, we are taking you prisoner. Hey, aren't you the letter X? No, we are not letters. We are Roman numbers. Something else you'll learn about when you get a little older. We don't really like fighting. Instead, maybe we could teach you how to do math problems using ones, tens, and hundreds places. We don't do math. We just count, said the soldiers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 were tossed into the gladiator ring. The Roman soldiers were counting the minutes until they'd attack. It was a time of darkness and despair. They look like a clock, don't they? From far away, 0 heard his pals call for help. This is a job for 0 the hero, he thought. Faster than a speeding donut, 0 zoomed to their rescue. Look up in the air, it's a flying bagel. Hey, any minute. Any missing chariot wheels? A giant Cheerio, maybe. Release the numbers or else, 0 told the Romans. Or else what? The Romans replied. Or else I will unleash a force greater than you can imagine, the power of nothing. Go ahead, said the Romans. We're not afraid of nothing. Left no choice, 0 grabbed a nearby rock and proceeded to demonstrate his amazing power. 0 times the rock equals 0. Ta-da! Rock was gone. When the Roman numerals saw the rock disappeared, they decided to disappear too. They ran away as fast as they could. All hail 0 the hero, shouted the counting numbers. Thank you for saving us. With his friends around him once more, and the knowledge that he had fought evil and won, Zero no longer felt empty inside. Now that hollow nothingness inside him was filled with something, and that something was joy. What's that? The end. So Zero was a hero after all. I hope you liked that, boys and girls. See you soon.